In this video, you will learn how to insert signature in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have a document and I have inserted signature in this document. So let's start this video tutorial. Firstly, take any blank page and draw your signature on that page. After that, take the picture of your signature and share this picture on desktop through Bluetooth or email. I will use my email to share this picture on my desktop. Now I have received the email. I will download this picture. Go to download folder. Now I will open a Word document. This one is the Word document. I want to insert signature in this document. Firstly, I will remove these signatures. Now copy the signature. For example, the signature are in download. I will copy this one and paste it in your Word document. Now you can observe that we have successfully pasted the signature in Word document. Now click on this signature and you will find different handles. Use these handles to resize this. I will decrease its size. After that, click on this picture again. And here you will find the option of picture format. Select this option. And in format option, you will find the option of crop. Select this one. And crop unnecessary area. For example, I want to crop this area. So using these handles, you can select your desired area. Now I have successfully marked cropped area. After that, here you will find the option of compressed picture. Select this one. And make sure you have selected delete cropped area of picture. Click on OK. Now we have successfully cropped this picture. Click anywhere on this page. Now again click on this picture. And under picture format you will find the option of color. Click here. You will find different option. Go to recolor option and from here select from these three options, which is the white 25%, white 50% and white 75%. You can select any one. In this case, most suitable option is white 50%. In my case, select this one according to your requirement or according to your suitability. I will select this one. Now you can see here our picture is defined now. Now you will learn how to remove the background of this picture, because if you are interested to insert this picture on color document, then the background of this picture is white one. So how to remove this one? Click on this image and go to remove background. Here you will find the option of mark area to keep. Select this one. Now you can see here our line is grade 1 and we want to include this in our signature. So by using this pencil, place your pencil on this line and click here. Now you can see here it is marked with bright color. Similarly, this dot is gray. I will place my pencil here and click on it. Now our signature is complete. I will click on keep changes. Now you can see here we have successfully removed the background from our signature. Now next task is to insert the signature on desired place, but before that I will insert signature line. Click anywhere. Go to insert option and here you will find the option of insert signature line, add a signature line. Click here, select this option, Microsoft offers signature line. Now here type your name. For example, I will type my name. Here you can select designation. I will type my designation. Similarly, here is the option of instruction to the signer. You can also insert this one. Show sign date in signature line. You can also select this one. After selecting all these tasks, click on OK. Now you can see here signature line is inserted here. Now I will again go to my signature, and here you will find the option of layout. Click on this, you will find different option. Always select from these two options. This one is the behind text and this one is the in front of text. I will select in front of text. After that, select this one and drag it to any position. Now if you are interested to insert this line manually, because there are limited options for editing in this case, so how can you do that? Simply go to insert option, and here you will find the option of shape. Select this one, and from here I will select this line. Select this one. Now insert this line here. From here select the color of this line. Go to shape outline option. You can also select the color from here, and here is the option of weight. You can select the width of this line. I will select 1 pt. After that I will click here and write my name. Now select this one, and you can adjust the space using this option. You can also select this line, and when 4 arrow sign appeared, you can drag it down. Select the signature, copy this one and paste it here. Now you can place it anywhere in this document. Now you will learn how to save these signs for future use. Select this one. Select both signs as well as signature line. After that, go to insert option, and here you will find the option of this one, which is the explore quick parts. Select this one. Select first one, which is the auto text, and here you will find the option of save selection to auto text gallery. Select this option. Write name. For example, I will write Tahir Sign. In gallery, select auto text, category general. After that, click on OK. Now you have saved this sign and you can insert it in any document. For example, I want to insert this sign here. You don't need to repeat this procedure again. Simply go to insert option and again go to this option, which is the explore quick parts. Click here. From here you will find the option of auto text, and here is your signature. Just click here and Microsoft Word will insert the signature along with signature line in your document. Now in last part of video you will learn how to save this sign for future use. Simply click on these signs, right click. Here you will find the option of save as picture. Select this option. Select the location. For example, I want to save it on desktop. I will select desktop. Write the name. I will write picture one. Click on save. And these signs are saved now. I will minimize it. These are our signature. I will open with snipping tool. Now you can copy and paste it in any document. For example, I will close this one. I will again select this one, right click, copy this one and paste it in any Word document. Now you can see your signature are pasted here. So you can use it again and again. Last thing you have to remember that if you want better quality, simply copy this one and paste it in Microsoft PowerPoint and then save it as picture as I earlier explained. Then you can save it in better quality. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.